By working with the owner and design partner early on, we can procure an OSM pedestal pre-populated with hookup services, greatly reducing the amount of time needed in the clean room for pre-facilitation. Having on-time support equipment set greatly helps speed the hookup process by allowing the trade partners to concentrate on subfab activities before the production tool arrives. Through early procurement, we can ensure hookup materials and components are available, allowing off-site manufacturing of the racking systems for both subfab and fab-level requirements. Through extensive scanning, 3D modeling, and trade partner expertise, we target to have 90% of the hookup and support interconnects fabricated off-site. Our goal is to provide the trade partners with everything needed for tool hookup so they can focus on safe, fast, and accurate installation. With the J.E. Dunn Tool Install program, our target is to have consistent, on-time completion of all pre-facilitation, so when your tool is ready for hookup, we can concentrate on the final task. This project predictability is key to achieving your planned startup and production goals.